Alright, so I've already instantiated a flash object, which is the Python object that outputs a logic signal. In this case, I've had pins 37, 35, and 31 all output logic high. And as you can see, all three lights are glowing. This one's glowing, this one's glowing, this one's glowing. You can feel the current too a little bit. And because this is connected to 37, this is connected to 35, this is connected to 31. Okay. Now, I'm gonna kill this flash object. Its name is Yo, that's just a dummy name. Yo.kill. When I hit enter, they should all go off. And they did. Okay. Now, let's make sure I can use the same flash object to revive them. Alright. So actually no, what I'm going to do, because I did not use this method today, but it is a major method in my module and an integral part of the whole thing. So I'm going to use rainbow function, which will put, it's in corresponding order with the pins, but first the amounts of time, let's go 5 to 7, just so it will be very obvious which is which. Those are lengths of time for each light to be on. That means this one should be on for 5 seconds, this for 2 seconds, this for 7 seconds. Okay? And then you give them logic signals, which in this case, all the logic signals will be high, because this is a pretty basic test. And okay, let's try it, see what happens. Okay, yellow one went off for 2 seconds, and then the left one went off, and then the right one went off. Okay, so they went off in the order predicted, took about the amount of time predicted, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds. First one went off, this one, then the next one. Okay. Now, just for comparison, I'm gonna give one of them a logic low, but it's gonna be the longest one. Okay, yeah, that rainbow. 1 to 10. Okay, and then 1 1 0. What's gonna happen is the two leftmost lights are gonna blink on, one's go off, the other one's gonna go off, and one will appear to never come on because it's carrying the logic low. This one is gonna never come on, but the screen is gonna be frozen for about 10 seconds because Python locks up while it's outputting. Alright, let's go ahead. See, the two came on, and see how the right one never came on. Now, look at what the screen is going to do in about 5, 4, 3. Oh, yep, it already did it. See, it was like doing nothing, but then it did that arrow. Now, I'm going to do the same signals, but different lengths of time. This time I'm giving the high signals longer amounts of time. Okay, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second, and then high, high, low. Alright. And I'm going to zoom out so you can see both the diode and the screen. Alright, finger on enter. Okay, that's weird that the other thing didn't come on, and I'm gonna see that. Might be a wiring thing, but you know that rainbow mostly works now, and that flash object works, and that flash object does in fact output the logic signals you expect it to, and it's not the pins, because some of these pins are the same pins I was using, and it's not the code. So obviously something must be wrong with our wiring or something. That's why I think it's not going as expected, but that's the proof that I wanted to prove with this video, if nothing else. Thank you.